Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and Expert Coaching with Guaranteed Success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Now we are going to do the 8th practical problem, okay, on page number 60. Because the 7th one practical problem I have taken it the very first in this video. Okay, the first was 7th because only trading and profit and loss account was asked. Now in this sum only profit and loss account and the balance sheet is asked. So we are going to do it only profit and loss account and the balance sheet. Okay. So Nana and Nani are partners in the partnership firm, sharing profits and losses equally. Now how they are going to share the profits and losses? They are going to share it equally. You are required to give effects on adjustments in profit and loss account and the balance sheet with the help of the following information. They have given us the information, debit balances and credit balances. See, insurance they have given 15,000, land and building additions 50,000 is given and additions were made on 1st July. That is after 3 months. Okay, of rupees 20,000 means on 30,000 you are going to, I'll be showing you the working. Working, here I am showing you land and building. Rupees 50,000. Okay. Now additions were made on less additions on 1st July. That is after 3 months. After 3 months. 20,000. So on 30,000 you are going to take whole year's depreciation. On 20,000 you are going to take. So on 30,000 depreciation you are going to take 10% is the depreciation. So 3,000 and on 20,000 10 upon 100 into 9 upon 12. $20,000 into 10% divided by 12 multiplied by 9. 1,500. So total depreciation is 4,500. Here I have written, see here, 30,000 and this will make, total will make 50,000. I hope this working you have understood. Then salaries 5,000, export duty 2,500, interest 1,000, furniture 40,000, debtors 26,000. Now credit side capital, Nana 50,000, Nani 50,000. 10% bank loan taken on 1st October 2000. Now they have taken a bank loan, that is liability is being created by them of rupees 30,000. But when did they take this loan? On 1st of October. So 30,000 working note, 10% bank loan, that is 110 2018. What is the amount of bank loan? 30,000. Okay. So we are going to calculate interest on bank loan. Interest on bank loan. $30,000 into 10 upon 100. That means 10% is given. That is why we have taken it 10, and 6 upon 12. 1s are 2s are. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 2 1s and 2 5s are. So it will come to 1500. So this we have added it over here. Okay. I hope this you have understood the working. Now interest. Interest we have received 1500. Bills payable, it will come to balance sheet liability side. Now gross profit amounted to rupees 34,500. Since trading account is not to be prepared, so they have given the gross profit, and we have written it over here by gross profit 34,500. Okay. Then insurance paid for 15 months with effect from insurance was paid. Okay. Insurance paid on 1/4/2018 for 15 months. So 15 divided by 15, that will come to 1000. We are accounting period is from 1st January to 31st March. That is 12 months. So 3 months minus 3 months prepaid. Okay. So 3 months prepaid is 1000 into 3 is equal to 3000. So we have done it over here. See, insurance 15,000 less prepaid insurance 3,000. How it has arrived at? So 3,000 we have taken it over here. Then depreciate land and building at 10% and furniture at 5%. Now land and building, I have shown you the working before this. Okay. And furniture at 5%. Write off rupees 1000 for bad debts and maintain RDD at 5% on sundry debtors. Now bad debts. Bad debts according to trial balance were 1000. New bad debts. Now according to trial balance there are no new no bad debts given. Okay. So new bad debts are 1000, and after deducting from debtors 1000 you will create an RDD. So debtors are 26,000 debtors less bad debts 1000. So on 25,000 you are going to create RDD at 5% less RDD at the rate of 5%. How much it will come to? $1,250. See, two bad debts we have taken here. This bad debts we have taken it over here. This here, and total comes to 2,250. Closing stock was valued at 34,500. We are going to take it in the liabilities. Asset side of the balance sheet, not liabilities, asset side. It is a asset. Now I am going to explain you this. Profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019. See, gross profit, by gross profit. Here what is mentioned? 34,500 is mentioned. Okay. Then on the credit side, interest we have gained that is written on the credit side by interest 1,500. Total 36,000. On the asset, on the debit side, insurance 15,000. Less prepaid, I have shown you the working, how I have arrived at 3,000. And outer column only for 12 months we are going to take. So 12,000. To depreciation on land and building, this also working I have showed you. So it comes to 4,500. Then salaries 5,000. Export duty 2,500. Interest 1,000. And then outstanding interest. This interest is given in your trial balance. And additional in the adjustment, it is given that bank interest, bank loan is taken on 1st October. So we have calculated and that comes to 1,500, total 2,500. To depreciation on furniture 2,000. To bad debts, now only I have showed you 1,000, how it 1,000, and on 25,000 at the rate of 5%, it comes to 2,000, 1,250. So the total comes to 2,250. Now this side is smaller than the credit side. This side is higher. The total comes to 36,000. So we are going to write it over here. Same on the same line, both the amounts. And then you'll minus all these amounts till here. So you'll get the remaining figure as 5,250. This is your net profit. Okay, this is your net profit. You are going to write it on the capital account. Credit side, by net profit Nana and Nani 2,625, 2,625. Total is 5,250. Okay. Now balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Now I said we do the balance sheet on a particular date, because on the very next day the balance sheet is going to fluctuate. Maybe cash in hand may be different, dators may give out the money to you. So that is particular to that particular date. That is why we write it as on, okay, for that particular day. So liabilities amount, assets, inner column amount, outer column amount. Now liabilities. See, 10% bank loan. When it was taken on 1st October 2018. How much it was taken? 30,000. So we are going to add outstanding interest on bank loan, because we have taken after 6 months. So only 6 months interest will be taken at the rate of 10% per annum. That will amount to 1,500. So total liability will be 31,500. Bills payable amounted to rupees 8,000. Capital. Now I did not prepare separate capital account, because only net profit was had to be written in that and nothing else. So I had done it here only. Nana's capital 50,000, add net profit. If there would have been net loss, so we would have deducted this from the capital. So it is net profit we added, and it came to 52,625. Nani's capital also was 50,000. We added net capital 2,625, and the amount in the outer column is 52,625. This is your liability side. Now asset side. See, land and building. 50,000 is given to you, and the rate of depreciation was given to you as 10%. But 20,000 on rupees 30,000 of the land and building. 20,000 of the land and building was taken on 1st July. So means 30,000 for whole year, 20,000 only for 9 months. So depreciation amount, I have shown you the working also, how it came to 4,500, outer column 45,500. Now furniture 40,000, less depreciation at the rate of 5%, 2,000. So outer column 38,000. Debtors, I have also shown you the working. Here we are going to write all the working as it is. So debtors, inner column 26,000, less new bad debts. Now I am writing new every now and then. When they are not mentioned in the when they are given in the adjustment, then we deduct it from the debtors. So new bad debts 1,000. Total inner column only. Why inner column? Because provision for reserve for doubtful debts is to be maintained at 5%. So 25,000 less reserve for doubtful debts at the rate of 5%. On 25,000, 5%, it comes to 1,250. Outer column 23,750. Prepaid insurance. In the profit and loss account, on the debit side, we had deducted 3,000 which were prepaid. Now here this is an asset for the next year. So we have written prepaid insurance 3,000. Closing stock, it is given in the adjustment, last adjustment, that amounts to rupees 34,500. Now if you total up the asset side, it comes to 1,44,750. This also side, when you total up, it also amounts to 1,44,750. This means your balance sheet is, your sum is correct, and when your balance sheet gets tallied. I hope this sum you have understood it. If there are doubts, you can write me in the comment box. I will solve all your doubts.